Good afternoon, people. Hi, people. I want to publish an important video tutorial about Krita. First of all, I have new version. I didn't install new version of Open Broadcaster Studio, but today I want to publish video tutorial. If you use the pop-up palette, you can see you snap canvas when you rotate. I found the solution how to rotate canvas without snapping. When you hold the left mouse button and you drag left mouse button a little bit behind this black dot, you can see it works smooth. But make sure you don't point here. You only snap when you place cursor on your black visible dot, but behind that you can smoothly rotate canvas. Because I wondered if this was still possible to rotate canvas without snapping. It is still possible, but make sure you place cursor above this. I hope you like my video tutorial.